Assalamu alaikum everyone and a very good morning to you all. Assalamu alaikum everyone and a very good morning to you all. Can you hear me? Am I audible to you? Please reply me in the chat box.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for your timely response, Manahil. And
Assalamu alaikum, miss.
Walaikum assalam. Okay, students. So you all can hear me clearly?
Yes, miss.
Okay,
मिस
that's
आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
yes, I can hear you very clearly. It's perfect.
Okay, miss.
Okay, students, so please keep yourself muted. All right, beta, turn on your videos and keep yourself muted. Keep your literature books, literature copies, and your stationery box with you. Very good, Khizra. Very nice, everybody. Very good. So, what we have done till yesterday in this copy. Walaikum assalam, Ilsa.
Miss, question number 5 and 6.
Question number?
Miss, question 5 and 6.
Good.
5 and 6.
Okay, so I am asking how much how much work we have done in this copy, or what we have done in this copy. So you will say we have done words, meanings, and question answers up till 6, right? Is it right, everybody? Have you all done this work in your copies?
Yes.
Very good. Abdul Rahman,
But miss,
I am fine. Thank you, Abdul Rahman. Walaikum assalam, beta.
but miss,
Yes, beta.
मिस आपने सबटाइटल्स में जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स का वो लिखवाया था उसके अंदर तो 5 लिखवाए थे आपने.
Okay, beta, then correct it. Correct it, make it 6. Yes. There are 6 questions altogether in this chapter. Okay.
Okay, miss.
All
you, miss.
right, everybody. Aleha, have you done your work? This is so bad. So bad.
Assalamu alaikum, miss.
Walaikum assalam. You know, you are not a small kid that you are doing all this. That's so bad, and I'm not taking your name just because I'm giving you warning. Okay, I don't want this type of thing in my class next time. Behave yourself. All right. Okay, Neha, very good, beta, very nice. And let me tell you one thing very clearly. When you do something on the screen, when you speak, when there is a noise from your side, the teacher gets notification on the computer. Okay, we get notification that who is annotating on the screen, we get notification who is speaking, whose mic is on. So please behave yourself. Your teacher is just giving you warning. Okay, so it doesn't mean that she doesn't know who is doing this, and I was not expecting this from you. Very bad. All right, so have you opened your books? We have read till page number 7. Am I right? We have read till page number 7 in the previous class. Do you remember? Okay, have you marked that page in your book? Okay, very nice. So open your books, keep your page number 7 in front of you. Yes, Hamad Madni, you are raising your hand. You want to ask something, or you are raising your hand to read? Okay. All right, so students are ready for reading. Amna, you haven't turned on your videos. Ilsa, you, beta, I am not going to say this again and again. Please turn on your videos and keep it on, okay? I want to see your faces. I want to see what you are doing, how you are doing, okay? So your teacher wants to see you. That's why you have to keep your videos on. Sayyid Muhammad Hassan, Abdullah Khan. Yes, yeah. Yeah, your mic was on. Yes, you want to ask something? Yeah, turn on your video. Muhammad Arham, I didn't get you, beta. What you are trying to ask? What are you requesting me? You want the Zoom link of what? Beta, you are taking the class right now in the Zoom meeting. So why you want the link? The link is already there. That's why you are here, right? Arham, can you unmute yourself and ask me clearly what are you exactly trying to ask? Okay, then there might be internet issue at your end. That's why. Okay, beta. All right, there might be internet issue at your end. That's why it might not be working. All right, so without wasting much time, we are going to continue the reading. Okay. Are you understanding the story of the chapter? Is it clear to you all? So this is our lecture number 4. Okay, and we are going to continue from page number 8. Now I am going to take names and you have to be ready for reading. Okay. All right. So I want Manahil to start the reading. Manahil. After Manahil, Abdul Rahman. Abdul Rahman, are you ready? Manahil or Abdul Rahman? Yes. Start, beta. Beta, nobody is allowed to write me in the chat. Please, I'll take your name. Manahil, please start the reading. Page number 8, line 1.
Splendid how he could trick the other boys into doing his work for him. Boys come along the road.
Manahil, what is this word, beta? The first word?
Splendid.
Planned. It's planned. Say it with me.
Planned.
Very good. Planned is the V2 of plan. Like we plan to go for shopping, we plan to go for swimming, right? Plan. Plan is V1 and planned is V2. Past form of planned. Okay, Minahil, very good. Now you may continue.
Boys come along the road every little while. They come to laugh but stayed to pain.
Okay,
By the
stop,
time
Minahil. Okay, stop, Minahil. Very good. They came to laugh but stayed to paint. What happened? Tom was so clever that he tricked other boys to do his work, okay, to paint the fence for him. All right. So, Abdul Rahman.
Yes, miss.
Yes, beta. Can you please continue?
By the time Ben was tired out, Tom had given the next chance to Billy Fisher for a kite And when he was tired, Johnny Miller took his place in exchange for a very interesting dead rat. So it went on hour
Okay,
after hour,
Abdurrahman,
and then
Abdurrahman, wait.
oh, sorry.
Abdurrahman,
His
wait.
place in exchange for a very interesting dead rat. So it went on hour. So it went on hour after hour, and when the middle of the
Okay,
afternoon came,
Abdurrahman, stop. Abdurrahman, stop. Very good. Now, whom did the Tom give chance to paint the fence?
To Billy Fisher.
Okay, to Billy Fisher. Then after Billy Fisher, very good, Isma. After Billy Fisher, who was given the chance? Okay,
Johnny Miller.
Johnny Miller.
Johnny
Very
Miller.
good. So very good. So these children were painting the fence one after another, and they were painting that fence for Tom Sawyer. All right. Okay. All right. So Aman Karam, can you please continue the reading?
Yes,
Okay.
sure. So it went on hour after hour, and when the middle of the afternoon came, Tom had a lot of pile of good things. He had, besides the things I have mentioned, 12 marbles and a piece of blue bottle glass to look through, the key that wouldn't unlock anything, a piece of chalk, the glass top of a wine bottle, a toy soldier made of metal, 2 fish in a jam jar, a kitten with only one eye, a dog collar but no dog, the handle of
Okay,
knife.
okay, Aman, stop. So what are these things? What do you get from this?
Miss, these things are the things that Tom collected.
Yes, he collected these things from whom? From
I guess,
his friends. His friends, okay? His friends. He was collecting these things from his friends. All right. Very good, Aman. Very nice. Okay.
Thank you.
Muhammad Arham. Muhammad Arham. Muhammad Arham, can you please continue the reading where Aman has left just now?
Okay, miss. The handle of a kite and an old piece of rope. He had a nice crazy time all the while with plenty of people to talking to, and the fence
To talk to.
The fence had 3 coats of the paint on it. If there had been enough paint, he would have taken things from every boy in the village. Tom
Okay,
went to
Arham.
find-
Okay, Arham, please stop. Please stop. Okay, now Khizra, you have to answer me, okay? Now listen to me very carefully, Khizra and Ilsa. This question is from, yes, from both of you. What did Tom collect from his friends? Now tell me few things very quickly. 3 things.
Teacher, can I tell first?
Yes, Ilsa?
He collected 12 marbles,
Okay.
a dog,
Okay.
a dog, 2 fish in a jam, a kitten with only one eye, and,
Okay.
and a glass top of a wine
Very
bottle.
nice. Okay, okay, Ilsa. Excellent. Perfect. Now, Khizra, are you with me? Khizra?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me few things that he had collected from his friend?
Yes, miss. A kitten with only one eye,
Okay.
A dog collar, but no dog.
Okay.
The handle of a knife.
Very
And
good.
an old piece
Okay,
of rope.
Fizra. Okay, Fizra. Aleha, can you tell me few things that he had collected from his friend? Now underline the things that he had collected from his friend. Okay, underline the things very quickly, everybody. You may easily find those things in the paragraphs that we are reading right now here. Okay.
Miss,
Yes, Hafsa.
can we use highlighter?
Yes, you can use highlighter on your books. That's okay. All right. So here in this paragraph, you will find the things that he had collected from his friends. Okay. So start underlining the things very quickly.
So
12
we cannot.
marbles. 12 marbles. Blue bottle glass. Key. A piece of chalk. Glass top of wine bottle. A toy soldier. 2 fish. A kitten. A dog collar. The handle of a knife. An old piece of rope. So all these things were collected by Tom from his friends. Have you underlined these things? Have you underlined these things? Alina Abid, now continue the reading, please. Okay, very good, everybody. Minahil Asif, you can better see these things here in this paragraph. If you want me to underline, I may underline it for you here. 12 marbles, blue bottle glass, piece of chalk, key, glass top of wine bottle, toy soldier, 2 fish, kitten, dog collar, a knife of a handle, and a piece of rope. So all these things were collected by Tom from his friends. Have you underlined these things now? Is it clear, Manahil? Yes, Peter, sure, you can highlight it. You may underline it, whatever you want to do. It's your choice.
Miss, may I read?
Yes, Alina Abid, please continue the reading.
Yes, Miss. Tom went to find Aunt Polly. She was sitting in the back room. May I go out and play now, Aunt? He asked. What, already? How much have you done, Tom? It's all done, Aunt. Tom, don't lie to me. I don't like it. I am not lying, Aunt. It is all done. Aunt Polly did not believe him, so she went out to see. When she found the whole fence painted, she was very surprised. So you can work when you feel like it, Tom. She said, now you can go and play.
Okay, so what did Tom tell Aunt Polly?
He asked that, may I go out and play now?
Okay, so what Aunt Polly said?
Aunt Polly said, Tom, don't lie to me. I don't like it.
No, what she didn't believe. I'm asking about that. What did Tom tell Aunt Polly that she didn't believe?
Miss, Aunt Polly didn't believe
Aunt
that
Polly did not
Tom
believe
completed the
him, so she went out to see him.
Okay, Alina, let Aman answer this also. Okay, let's see what he is trying to say. Okay, I have heard your answer. Yes, Aman, please speak up.
Yes, miss, I am saying that Aunt Polly can't believe that Tom has completed the fence painting.
Yes, very good. So she didn't believe that, and she went out to see. And when what she found when she went out?
She found that Tom has completed the fence all.
Yes, when she went out, she found that Tom had completed that work. Means he had finished the painting. Okay, clear,
Yes.
everybody? So is this chapter clear to you all? Is there any confusion or anything that you want to ask me? Yes, Hafsa? Hafsa, you are raising your hand. Beta, you want to ask something? We have done the reading along with the explanation of chapter 1, Bad Tom. Okay, now open your copies. I want to see your work. Okay, so keep your copies ready. I'm just giving a quick review of page number 8 that we have read just now. Tom played trick. Tom planned to trick other boys to paint for him, okay, to paint the fence for him. That was his punishment given to him by his Aunt Polly, okay. Other boys came along the road to laugh but stayed to paint. Other boys who were coming, they were started laughing on him, but they stayed there to paint the fence too, okay. Tom gave next chance to Billy Fisher for a kite. So Billy Fisher was given a chance to paint the fence, and in return, Billy Fisher gave kite to Tom. Okay. Tom gave next turn to Johnny Miller for a dead rat. It went on, and Tom collected many things from the boys. He had marbles, chalk, toy soldier, fish, kitten, knife, and rope. Okay, I just made you underline these things in the paragraph also. The fence was painted. The fence was painted for him by the boys. Then Tom went to Aunt Polly to take permission to play. Aunt Polly was surprised to see that the work had done. Then she allowed him to go and play. So this was about page number 8 that we just read. Okay. Is it clear, everybody? Now we are going to do some work. Open your copies. Have you done word meanings and question answers till question number 6? There are 6 question answers in this lesson. Have you done that? Have you completed your work? Okay. Now, beta, open your copies. Open your copies. Hafsa Nawal, please mute yourself. Hafsa Nawal, please mute yourself. Okay, beta. Now you can see the classwork. Now mention RTC in the index. Mention RTC.
Miss, you will write RTC in the index?
Yes, beta. Of course, you are going to write RTC in the index. Mention RTC in the index along with the date, serial number, each and everything. Okay, we will do half RTC right now here in the class, and half will be given in the homework. Okay, in case you are unable to complete it right now here in the class, you may do it later also. Okay, and your homework is here. Okay, so have you maintained the index? Can anybody show the index? Yes, please show your index. See, everybody, you all can see. Very good. Date and RTC is today's index. Very good. But Barira, you have not mentioned the serial number. Please mention the serial number in all the index. Okay, beta? Yes, very good, Minahil. It's correct. Very nice. Beta, we are doing RTC in today's class, and I will also upload this RTC later in the Google Classroom, okay, as your
Yes, miss.
homework. So in case if you miss anything, you may do it later from there also, okay? Is it clear? Don't do it twice. Don't do it twice. I know you all are so smart, you will not do it, but it's still I'm telling you, don't do it twice. If the thing that is posted in the Google Classroom is already done in your copy, what you have to do, you just need to tally that work, okay? Are you getting me all? What I've said?
Miss.
Beta, wait. What I've said? Tehzeeb, can you please repeat what I've just said? What I told you just now?
Miss, you tell that we will tally all of our work from the Google Classroom.
Okay, Tehzeeb, can you repeat what I just told you? Did you hear me? So tell me, repeat my words.
I know what you have said.
Okay, Tehzeeb, you don't have mic. Okay, beta. Okay. So who can repeat? Who can repeat?
Miss me.
Yes, please.
Miss, you have said that you're going to upload these RTCs on the Google Classroom, but we don't have to do it twice. We have to do it just once.
Okay, very good, Amna. So I just said that I also sometimes I upload the CW as well in the homework. So what you have to do, if you missed anything, you may check it from there, okay? That if I have added something more in that work, or if there is nothing to do and you have already completed all that work in the class, what you can do is just check your work from there, okay? You don't need to do it twice, okay? So this is what I just said.
Excuse me, miss.
Okay. Yes, beta. Yes, Khizra.
मिस ये जो आपने आरटीसी के नीचे लिखा है पेज नंबर 5 पे लिखना है हमें.
I have just mentioned it so that you may easily find it from the book, but it's okay. It's good to mention it. You can mention, okay? Maintain the index.
Miss, आपने जो RTC लिखी है, can do that. Your aunt would be
Yes.
black के blue
Yes.
से.
It will be written with black. It will be written. Wait. The heading of RTC will be given with just like this, okay? The things that are written here with black, you are going to use black for that, and the things that are words that are written in blue, you have to write those in blue pen, okay?
Miss, only 3 questions.
No, there are 5 questions. Okay, before starting the RTC, I want you to open the back side of your book. Open the exercise given at the back side of your book. Just after page number 84, means page number 85. Hamad Madni, page number 85. You can see the heading Bet Tom there. On page number 85, you can easily find, yes, on page number 85, you can easily find Bet Tom heading. Done, beta? Page number 85. I'm Iraj Fatma, page number 85. Have you opened page number 85? Yes, very good. Hamad Madni is showing page number 85. You can easily see the heading Bet Tom there. Yes, Aman Khurram. Yes, this one. Let's quickly do this exercise. Khizra Ali, you haven't opened your book. I can't see your video, beta.
Teacher.
Quickly open your books, everybody.
Miss,
Yes, beta. Page number 85. Bad Tom.
Miss, can we use
When you have to do this exercise back, Tom?
Yes, you just need to do this exercise in your book. Okay?
Miss, can we write in curve writing?
Peter, now please stop asking me irrelevant question right now. Now please open page number 85 and keep your pencil in your hand and to quickly do this exercise in the book. Yes, I'm just reading and you have to tell me. Tom made Ben Rogers and other boys think that, now you have two options, mending or painting. Which one is correct?
Painting.
Yes, painting. So you have to mark paint. Okay? Circle it. Circle it. Circle painting. Okay? Painting is the correct answer. Are you all doing, everybody?
Yes, miss.
Very nice. Okay, I'm going to continue. Aunt Polly's fence was not work. He said that now you have two options. Many, or very few boys could paint the fence the way it had to be done.
Very few, guys.
Very
Very few.
few. Very good. Very good. Very few. Circle it. Very few. All right. He said he was the only one who could do it the dash way. Right or wrong?
Way.
Right way. Very good. Excellent. 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 Right way. Then all the boys wanted to see if they could go swimming or paint the fence. Paint the fence. Paint the fence. Very good. Circle it. They gave Tom things so that he would not or would. Very good. Would. So first answer is
Painting.
second is
Very
Very few.
third is
Right.
fourth is
Paint the fence.
very good. Five is
Wood.
so you have done this exercise in your books. Now you may continue the classwork, that is RTC. Okay, RTC. Have you maintained the index, everyone?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Have you copied out? Have you copied the statement? I'm going to post the RTC in the homework also, so please don't worry. Okay, the remaining work will be done as homework. Okay.
Which answer लिखूं?
Miss, I have a problem. Can you listen to me?
Okay. Now look at here. Can't do that. Your aunt would beat me if she found out. From which lesson the above line has been taken? How will you answer it? The above line.
Above line has
Yes.
been taken from the lesson.
The above line
Tom.
has been taken
Lesson.
from the lesson. Very good.
Bad Tom.
In inverted commas, you are going to write bad Tom.
Miss, can you listen to me? I have a problem, Miss. I have started RTC with black pen.
From?
Black pen.
It's okay. No problem. No problem. Now you have to write the answer with blue pen very carefully. Okay, beta? Okay, students, have you written answer number 1? Can you tell me the name of speaker and the listener? Who is speaking to whom?
Jim was speaking to Tom.
Jim was speaking to Tom. Very good. Jim was speaking to Tom. Tom. Jim. Okay, if there is in the question, so we are going to write is in the answer also. Jim is speaking to Tom. Jim is speaking to Tom. Okay. What can the speaker not do? Yes. The speaker.
Yes, the speaker can't do the painting of the fence.
Very good. The speaker cannot, or the speaker can't do painting. The speaker can't do painting. The speaker can't do painting. Here is answer number 3. The speaker cannot do painting. Are you all writing with me, class?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Yes, miss.
Very good, Shahid. Do your work very neatly. Okay, we have 3 minutes left. We have done till question number 3. Now I am going to post this as homework, okay? And you may complete question number 4 and 5 in your homework. All right, everybody? Is it clear? You may take the screenshot right now. If you haven't done till question number 3, I'm going to...
Question
what?
Question number 5.
Beta, I have not written answer here.
Miss दिखा दें question देख.
Okay, let me paste the answer for you. Why can the speaker not do painting? The speaker cannot do painting. I have written the answer here. The speaker cannot do painting because Tom was supposed to paint the fence on Saturday as the punishment. If someone else does it instead of Tom, Aunt Polly would be angry and would beat him for cheating. You may take the screenshot right now. Okay. And in case you can't take the screenshot, I am going to post it in the homework also. So you may complete it from there. Okay, everybody? Don't worry.
Miss question 5 का भी answer दिखा था.
Okay. All right.
Miss, question 4.
Yes, Hafsa. You can see question number 4 and 5 here from the screen right now. It's here.
Can I see question number 3?
Do it very neatly. Better do it very neatly. I'm going to post it in the homework also. So don't worry. Don't worry. Why does Tom want Jim to paint the fence? Tom wants Jim to paint the fence because he has a lot of work to do single-handed. Means he was alone to do a lot of work. Okay, so that's why he wanted Jim to paint the fence for him. Yes, Manahil, what are you asking? Yes, you have to leave the line. It's very common. Manahil, have you got your answer? Okay, students, so that's all for today. I'm just signing out and I will post this homework in the homework. Okay, you may complete it from there. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being on time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.
Allah Hafiz, miss.
Allah Hafiz, Shahir. Allah Hafiz, everyone.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Keep doing your work.